plastic cups. Sue, what is that weird thing you built here? I know! Where did I put it? Oh, come on, come on! Aha! Here it is, my basketball! It's time to show off my super accuracy. Take aim and throw! Yay!
Sammy, what are you doing?
Huh? Breaking the tower? Isn't that what it's for?
No, I took these cups to do experiments with paint.
Paint experiments? Oh, I'll help. Right, protection comes first.
Now, we need these cups to mix the paint.
Whoa! Let's mix the pink color first, please!
Okay, we need some red and water.
Oh, that's what it is! I was wondering what we were doing with this pool. It's too shallow for snorkeling.
Let's pour this water in our cups. Okay, here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3. Uh-huh.
Wow, look at those bubbles! Oh, what is that with my face? I look so funny! I'm already loving this!
Okay, enough joking around, Sammy. Let's get started on our super experiment. And here's the first color.
Yellow or blue? Which color do we need next? Oh, great choice, Sue!
Let's get a lot of yellow paint to make the water really bright.
That's such a vibrant color you're getting. What color will we get for this cup? What do you think, huh?
We'll take the blue one. It's almost like the water from the ocean. And next, we'll take white. We'll need it to make other colors lighter. We've already mixed quite a few colors. Oh, here's our last one. It's black.
Black? Ugh, I don't like black. It's so dark and dull and makes me sad.
Oh, Sammy, you'll soon see for yourself that black is a very useful and necessary color.
Sue, we have a problem. I found this puppet, but it's so colorless and boring. Ugh, looks like a hospital bird. Here you go. See for yourself.
You're right. It's a weird puppet. Although, check it out. It's not a puppet, it's a palette.
Doesn't look like a palette to me, but okay.
That's because we haven't filled it with our colors yet. Let's start with red, because it's so bright. And now it's time for yellow, the color of joy. Oh, it's so sunny and happy. Blue is the color of sky and water, like a summer vacation. And we shouldn't forget the white and black.
And now the fun part begins. We'll be mixing our paints. Hurry up, Sue. Get more water in here. I can't wait. Oh, now that's better. I look funny again. Oh, hilarious.
The other test tubes need to be filled too.
So, what's the first color we're gonna mix? Maybe pink. Let's do pink, Sue, please.
You'll see.
Okay.
First, let's add our joyful yellow color. Just a few drops. And now comes blue. It's like the sun in the sky now. Let's give it a good stir. And we've got green.
So, blue and yellow make green? Wow, I didn't know that. That's so cool. Let's keep going.
Now let's use our green color to mix another one. I wonder what the end result will be. I'll add yellow to it. And mix it well. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Wow, we got a light green color. So pretty. What happens if we mix yellow and red?
Well, let's give it a try. Here comes some yellow. And now a few drops of red. Here we go. Stir, stir, stir. Sammy, look at that. We got the color orange. Hey, I have an idea. Let's take some white and now add blue to it. We get this soft light blue color. It's so cute and pretty. Wow, it looks so great. Now it's time to fill our palette with new colors. There are lots of them. Would you look at this, friends? So pretty. Into the palette you go. Here we have a dark red. Looks very pretty. And what color do you like, friends? I love both red and blue, but I think my favorite is the purple one. Speaking of purple, let's use this red color to mix it up. Red and blue, I'm counting on you. Hey, it rhymes. Yay, look what a beautiful purple we've got. Now we take the white and mix it with our purple. We've got a blue lilac color. We need more experiments. Let's take the color white, a lot of it, and mix it with black. Do you know what color we'll get? Of course, it's the color gray.
Sue, why haven't we done the pink one yet? You promised me pink!
Oh, that's right. Let's try to make it next. I'm gonna start with some white paint first. Here we go. Now the smallest drop of the green color. Wait, it doesn't look like pink.
Make way to the master, Sue. Pink is my thing. I'll do it myself. Okay, let's see. We just need to get stirring here. Oh, you're right, Sue. It doesn't look pink at all. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry about it. Look at all these colors. Now we're gonna mix 3 more.
Okay, but this time we'll mix the colors I choose. So I want green, blue, and white. Yeah, that's decided.
White, green, and blue.
This time it's gonna be pink. I can feel it. Come on, pink, pink.
Sorry to disappoint you, but we got the color turquoise.
Oh, I can't go on like this! I have to take matters into my own hands. I must use science. To the lab! According to my calculations, we should mix purple, yellow, and red colors. Ha! That was a lot easier than I expected. Am I genius or what? Sue! I know what colors we need. That's not blue. Put it away! Put it away! We should start with red.
Well, let's give it a try. Now a few drops of yellow.
Yes! It's gonna work this time! I'm pretty sure about this one. What? But it's not pink at all! It's red or something! How could I be so wrong?
Don't feel bad, Sammy. We're experimenting here, remember? Let's just keep trying. This time, let's try it my way. If I remember correctly, red mixed with white is supposed to make pink. Let's see.
Aha! That's better. Wait a second, Sue. How do you know the formula for the color pink?
They taught us that in art class last week at school. Don't you remember?
No, I don't remember any of that. Anyway, we still need to make the perfect shade of pink, Sue. Come on! Don't dawdle.
All right, let's get on with our experiments then. Phew, that's a tough one. To make the perfect pink, we'll need to try our best. And it's not that easy.
Don't give up, Sue. I believe in you. We're gonna make it. Go, Sue, go. We need pink, like me.
I like your spirit. But you know what? Why don't we save the pink for last? And now we'll mix in some other colors.
Okay, but I get to pick the colors for the mix. I'll take the red one, of course, and then purple.
And I have a feeling we're going to need lots and lots of white. Okay?
Oh, this is so exciting! I hope the color turns out beautifully. I'm like a real wizard, you know, mixing magic potions in my room. Oh, I wish I could go to magic school. I'd blow everyone's socks away there. I can't believe it, Sue! It's almost the right pink! Am I really a wizard, Sue? Look!
Oh, what a beautiful color. You're very close, Sammy. I always wondered, what would happen if we mixed black and red paint? Let's give it a shot, shall we? These paint experiments are so soothing. Oh, I could do this all the time. And best of all, it's fun. And what do we got? We've got brown, just like chocolate. Yummy.
Oh, I like chocolate. It means there's only one more color left before we find the perfect pink.
Oh, I can see you're eager to find the perfect pink, aren't you, Sammy? Okay, now I want to experiment with these 3 colors. Oh, that was unexpected.
Finally, it's time for pink. Woohoo! I wonder what colors we'll eventually need to mix. Let's get started, Sue. Well, oh, you decided to start with red? That's a great choice. I'd start there myself. Friends, support us with your thumbs up.
And to add a cooler shade, I'm adding some blue here.
What other color should we add to make the perfect thing? Oh, you're right, Sue. White looks right. Please let it be right.
I have a good feeling about this one. Look, Sammy. I think it's working. I just need to mix it better and harder.
No, wait! We finally made it! It's the perfect thing! I'm so happy!
We made a whole palette out of just 5 colors.
That was so much fun! Friends, be sure to try this experiment yourself. And also subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you in our next episode. Bye-bye, y'all!